Good day to all respected employers in Hong Kong. I am Marlene Isdoki Piayo, 41 years old, married but separated. I have 3 kids, 2 boys and 1 girl. I live in Monte Vista, Davao de Oro, Philippines. I am third year high school, Catholic. My first employer in Kuwait for 2 years and 4 months. My daily routine is cleaning the house, car washing, washing the clothes, ironing, and I take care 6 months old baby. My second employer in Saudi Arabia for 7 years. My daily routine is cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing, cooking, and I take care of a special child, 18 years old daughters. I change pampers, feeding, bathing. I give her medicine every day and vitamins. My third employer in Hong Kong for 8 months. My daily routine, cleaning the house, washing clothes, and I take care of disabled man, 59 years old. I feeding him, bathing, change pampers, and every 1 week, 2 times a day, go to the hospital acupuncture. Sir, ma'am, if you hired me, I will do my best and my responsibilities. I am trustworthy, hardworking, humble, and kind. Thank you, ma'am, and God bless.